Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some problems on logarithms. Here we take the first problem. First, we have the formula log a to the power of m base b to the power of n equal to m by n log a base b. Use this formula, we can solve some problems. Let us take first problem. Log 49 base 343. Here 49 can be written as 7 into 7, that equal to 7 square, and 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7, that is 7 cube, that equal to log 49 can be written as 7 square and 343 can be written as 7 cube. Here we have the formula log a to the power of m into b to the power of n equal to m by n log a base b. Here m equal to 2 and n equal to 3, that equal to m by n, where m equal to 2, n equal to 3, 2 by 3 log 7 base 7. Here we have log a base a equal to 1, log a base a equal to 1, that equal to 2 by 3 into 1 equal to 2 by 3. This is the answer of this problem. And second one, we can take log 128 base 8. Here 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, that equal to 2 cube. Here 128 can be written as 128 by 2 ones are 2, 6 are 6 4s are, that equal 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 3s are, that equal to 2 ones are 2 16s are, 2 ones are 2 8s are, 2 ones are 2 4s are, 2 ones are 2 2s are, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that equal to 2 power 7. Here 128 can be written as 2 power 7, 8 can be written as 2 cube. Here we have the formula log a to the power of m and b to the power of n equal to m by n into log a base b. Here m equal to 7, m equal to 7 and n equal to 3 and a equal to 2 and b equal to also 2, that equal to 7 by 3 into log 2 base 2. Here we have log a base a equal to 1, log a base a equal to 1. Here 7 by 3 into 1 equal to 7 by 3 is answer of this problem. And next problem, here fourth one, log 5 base 25, log 5 base 25. Here 25 can be written as 5 square, that equal to log 5 base 5 square. Here we have the formula log a to the power of m and b to the power of n equal to m by n into log a base b, that equal to, here m equal to 1 and n equal to 2, that equal to 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. Again we have log a base a equal to 1. Substitute this formula. 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2 is the answer of this problem. And next problem, log 64 log 1 by 64 base 4. Here 64 equal to 4 into 16s and 4 4s. Here 4 1 2 3 that equal to 4 cube. 64 equal to 4 cube that equal to log 4 1 by 4 cube. Here 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1 and 1 by x square can be written as x power minus 2. In the same way, here 1 by 4 cube can be written as log 4 power minus 3 into 4 power minus 1 that equal to, here we have log a to the power of m into b to the power of n equal to m by n into log a base b. Here m equal to minus 3 and n equal to 1, and substitute this formula we get minus 3 by 1 into log 4 base 4. Here we have log a base a equal to 1. Substitute this formula we get minus 3 into 1 equal to minus 3 is the answer of this problem. And next one, 7th problem. Here e power minus 1 by 2 log x. E power minus 1 by 2 log x. Here we have log a to the power of m equal to m log a. Log a to the power of m equal to m log a, and m log a equal to log a to the power of n. Here m equal to minus 1 by 2. Take the power of x, that equal to e power log x power minus 1 by 2. Here we have the formula e power log f of x equal to f of x, or e power log e base a, let base m equal to m. Here exponential power logarithm get cancelled. We have x to the power of minus 2 that equal to, here x inverse equal to 1 by x. X inverse equal to minus 1 by x. Here x power minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by x power 1 by 2. Here we have x to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as root x. Root x is the answer of this problem. And next one, a to the power of log e to the power of 2 log 1 plus x square. Same formula we have log a to the power of m equal to m log a. Here we have m equal to 2 can be written as e power log 1 plus x square whole square. Again we have e power log m base e equal to m, that equal to exponential power logarithm get cancelled. We have 1 plus x square whole square is the answer of this problem. And next one we have next problem, 3 power log 3 log 243 base 3. Here we have the formula a power log a base m equal to m. Here where a equal to 3, value 243. Substitute this formula, we get 243 is answer of this problem. And you can solve remaining problems, that is already we solve this problem, and you can solve this problem log 2 base 8. Here 8 can be written as 2 cube. And next one, log 1 by 216 base 6. Here 216 can be written as 6 cube, and 6 cube, take the numerator, the value is 6 power minus 3. And same, log 1 by 81 base 27. And 8th problem, e power 2 log sec x and e power 1 by 2 log 1 minus x. You can solve these problems 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.